Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Greenhouse. I hope all of you are good. Today I'm going to show you various beautiful designing ideas for your garden, and here are multiple designs that you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch or yard. Splashes of color break up green, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers, for example, cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme. Create a collection of plants with the same flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I will always try to bring very useful and very beautiful garden ideas. And if you like my video, then please share it with your family members. Designing a beautiful garden involves careful planning, creativity, and harmonious blend of various elements. Here's a detailed guide on how to design a beautiful garden. Firstly, you need to define your goals. Determine the purpose of your garden, whether it's for relaxation, entertaining, or growing plants. Site analysis is another aspect which you have to evaluate. Assess your garden's location, considering factors like sunlight, soil quality, drainage, and climate. And then design plan. Sketch your garden layout, taking into account pathways, seating areas, and focal points. And then choose a style. Decide on a garden style that reflects your preferences, such as formal, informal, cottage, Japanese, or modern. Choose a variety of plants, including trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals. Consider their color, size, and seasonal interest. Then you have to decide plant placement. Arrange plants according to their growth habits, with taller ones in the back and smaller ones in the front. Hardscaping. Incorporate hardscape elements like pathways, patios, walls, and decorative features. Use materials that complement your garden style. Focal points are those that include